Introducing our next speaker, Mr. Nitin Patki. He is an alumnus of IIT Madras and JBIMS. He brings corporate clarity to yogic vision as the institute's CEO. The institute is called New Age Institute, Mumbai. A yoga master, therapist, a YCB examiner, he strengthens Navy through technology, systems, and operations. Together with Sandhya Patki, they lead India's first YCB certified yoga training and therapy center. Their work continues to shape teachers, heal individuals, and elevate yoga education across the country. Welcome, sir, and we look forward to hearing from you.
Thank you, Shailesh Patil ji, Sense 22. Thank you, NIN, for giving this opportunity. And thank you, Mr. Kulkarni Sudhanshu ji, Shubham Kulkarni, for this wonderful rendition of Sarvatmaka. In fact, I don't feel like saying anything. Bhairavi to chali na. Bhairavi नंतर आता परत काय होऊ शकतं. But Bhairavi झाल्यानंतर फक्त झोपच येऊ शकते. That's why I'm going to talk about a topic on sleep. Okay. Now, since we have concluded the last session on music and the topic is sleep, I want to start the next topic with a song. Just 2 lines. And I want to divert, I want to play to the gallery. और सबको हिंदी म्यूजिक प्यारा लगता है, बॉलीवुड म्यूजिक प्यारा लगता है. So I can just sing 2 lines of this. Oh, I'll keep the same note. नींद न मुझको आए, दिल मेरा घबराए, चुप के कोई आके सोया प्यार जगाए. ओ नींद न मुझको आए. Very the prelude of this session by Kulkarni sir was very tempting. I am also a classical music trained singer. So in fact, I don't feel like doing this thing, I feel like only singing. But the topic is this, I've already committed to Shailesh that I'll speak on this topic. So I'll try to continue on this topic. Tell me one thing, how many of you sleep? Everybody. Oh, everybody. Fantastic, great. So then I can talk about this topic of sleep. So next please. रावसाहेब मी नेक्स्ट म्हणेन तेव्हा नेक्स्ट करायचं. सो व्हाई डू वी नीड टू पे अटेंशन टू स्लीप? क्योंकि नींद आती है, खाना खाओ, टीवी देखो, सो जाओ, दूसरे दिन उठो, काम पे लगे, है ना. व्हाई डू वी नीड टू पे एनी अटेंशन टू स्लीप? That is exactly the whole presentation today's workshop about. So let's go ahead and see. I'm going to go a little fast. Ha light काढता आला तर बरं होईल. Can we do that? Yeah, can we do this? So if you can remove this light, थोड़ा सा visibility बरोबर होईल. We can have better visibility. Yeah. Let's go ahead. So I want to ask you certain questions, and I don't want to make this interactive because we have less time. But answer these questions in your mind. What time do you usually sleep? What time do you usually sleep? When I say usually when you sleep, I say 2 things. What time do you go to bed and what time do you go to sleep? ये 2 अलग चीज़ है. तो आप बिस्तर में कब जाते हैं और आप सोते कब हैं? Just answer these questions in your mind. And what time do you wake up? And what it means is what time you wake up and what time you get out of your bed. I am the victim of this, first victim of this thing. Today I woke up at 3:30, I got up out of my bed at 5 o'clock. क्योंकि पता नहीं नींद नहीं आई, शायद ये प्रेजेंटेशन करना था, शैलेश जी ने रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी दी थी यहाँ पे आके करना है, स्टॉल लगाना है और बहुत कुछ था, तो हो सकता है उसकी वजह से. सो यू मे बी हैविंग योर ओन स्टोरी ऑल्सो. So the next question is, do you wake up at night and find it difficult to sleep again? How many of you do feel that? How many of you have that problem? Very common. और यहाँ पे सब स्वस्थ लोग हैं तो बहुत कम लोगों को ये प्रॉब्लम आती है. Do you feel refreshed in the morning? जब आप सो के उठते हैं सुबह, तब आपको क्या ऐसे लगता है कि मैंने अच्छी नींद पाई है, मेरी नींद अच्छे से हो गई है? And when I say that, there are some parameters in that. So your senses are alert, you're feeling delightful. अच्छा लगता है, पॉजिटिव लगता है. फिजिकल एंड मेंटल एजिलिटी, ये सब अगर होता है तो यू कैन से दैट यू आर फीलिंग रिफ्रेश इन द मॉर्निंग. अगर आपको लगता है अरे यार थोड़ा और सो लूँ, या और थोड़ा समय होता तो अच्छा लगता था, या आई एम फीलिंग वेरी डाउन, तो उसका मतलब है आपकी नींद सही हुई नहीं है. और उसकी परिणाम क्या है वो हम लोग देखेंगे. हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू यूज स्क्रीन बिफोर बेड टाइम? आई यूज. हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू यूज स्क्रीन बिफोर बेड टाइम? प्लीज एडमिट. बाकी के लोग झूठ बोल रहे हैं. आज के समय में सब लोग यूज करते हैं. What have you tried to improve sleep? If you have had problem, तो हाँ, मतलब मेरा पहला जो जिस गाने से मैंने शुरुआत की वो रीज़न शायद हो या ना हो, दिल घबराता है, दिल में प्यार जगता है, और अगर नींद नहीं आती तो अच्छी बात है, कोई बात नहीं है. बट अगर दूसरे कोई कारण से आपको नींद नहीं आती है, तो हैव यू ट्राइड टू इम्प्रूव योर स्लीप इन एनी वे? प्लीज आंसर दैट क्वेश्चन टू योर ओन सेल्फ. Okay, and lastly, do you have any breathing issues, night awakening, snoring? अपने ही snoring से आप जागते हैं क्या? पहली चीज़ ये है. I don't want to ask you if your wife is next to you and she snores and you get up. Okay? Very embarrassing question, but आप आंसर करो, अपने आप को आंसर कर सकते हैं. Okay, next, राव साहब. So let us understand what is sleep. Sleep is a natural recovery and repair system. Do you agree with that? It is absolutely essential and it is needed for mental clarity, emotional balance and metabolic health. Okay? It is not just rest. Last मेरा जो लेक्चर हुआ था स्लीप में, तभी हमारी एक छात्रा आई और बोली, अच्छा हुआ अगर आपने ये बता दिया, इतने साल मैं सासू का सुन के सोती रहती है. I was feeling so guilty and now I can sleep peacefully because I know it is required for me. मेरी बच्चियाँ मुझे कहती रहती कि इतना 3.5-4 घंटे आप सोती हैं, फ्रेश कैसे रहेंगी? नहीं, सोना अच्छा नहीं है. So this is some wrong programming which we are having कि कम सोना चाहिए. Not necessary. You have to have good amount of sleep for these things. Now we are going to see some effects of sleep. क्यों अच्छा सोना चाहिए? Okay? There are some pointers which I am going to quickly go through. यहाँ पे कोई घड़ी है क्या? मेरे मोबाइल की घड़ी में, I am also referring to this thing on my mobile. No problem. So what happens in sleep? During sleep, very important things. Please remember and please pay attention to this. During sleep, the release of growth hormones speed up the repair process, keeping your body strong and resilient. I'm going to go fast. Please note, keep these points noted. Immune system strengthening. जो लोग अच्छा सोते हैं उनको बीमारी नहीं होती है. Bottom line, कम बीमारियां होती हैं. Memory consolidation. If you feel that you are failing your memory, राग के स्वर याद नहीं आ रहे, राग का नाम याद नहीं आ रहा है, फिल्म का गाना कौन सा याद नहीं आ रहा है, आगे जो पर्सन है उसका नाम नहीं याद आ रहा है, परीक्षा में बैठे हैं उत्तर याद नहीं आ रहा है. Okay, so many things which are part of your day-to-day life, but you feel that you are losing your memory, then let me tell you, sleep is the only positive solution. Okay, where you can consolidate. It strengthens the important memories. ये भी है कि गलत memories जो है हमको काम में नहीं है वो हम निकाल देता है, जो proper useful memory है वो consolidate करके strengthen करता है. Then hormone regulation. Our endocrinal system is the most critical system in our body which regulates so many things in our body. So sleep, it manages and releases the essential hormones like melatonin. Melatonin is the principal hormone, and waking up releases the cortisol, which is also a very important hormone. And these hormones are useful or crucial for controlling your metabolism, stress response, appetite and physical growth. Okay? tissue growth and muscle building, as I told you earlier also, for growing. Blood pressure regulation. If you have blood pressure and if you want to have a good solution for that without medicine, I will say that Yoga Nidra is one of the powerful medicine. And apart from Yoga Nidra, a normal good amount of sleep, sound sleep, will take care of your blood pressure permanently if you develop a good habit of sleeping well. Okay? Energy restoration. During your sleep, your body works hard to replenish ATP. This is a technical term, but it is known to people who are in therapy, how energy is released with the help of glucose and oxygen, and you feel energetic. Okay? You need energy everywhere. Energy, pran. Not only pran, all your physical energy, the metabolic energy, everything, your life revolves around that. And if you want more energy in your life, then you need to have good ATP at the cell level. ATP can be restored with good amount of sleep. Now you can understand at the base level how sleep is important. Wound healing. Wound healing के लिए sleep ज़रूरी है. I don't want to speak much about that. Emotional processing helps you manage anxiety, consolidate emotional memories, and build resilience to daily stress. Those people who sleep well are able to handle emotions well. This may be a surprise or for you, or this may be something which is new for you, but let me inform you that this is what it is. Blood sugar regulation. Those who are having BP should ensure that they have good sleep. Next slide. Detoxification of, I'll go a little faster in this. Detoxification of liver, important for removing waste or processing waste from your bloodstream. This depends on sleep. These are all research things. This is not my own ideas. Rebalancing of neurotransmitters, those dopamine, oxytocin, endorphin. Okay. So all these are positive hormones, happy hormones. If you want to really feel happy, motivated, satisfied, peaceful in your mind, sleep is an essential ingredient to generate these neurotransmitters. Digestive system, slow down and repair. When you sleep, the digestion becomes slow, and repair of the digestive system happens during this stage. Muscle relaxation, bone growth, respiratory system reset, balancing of fluid and electrolytes, skin renewal. Let me tell you, all the ladies over here, a secret: if you want to look beautiful, sleep well. Please. You will not need any more skin treatments if you are sleeping well. I can see some smiles. Yes, that's a secret. Okay? Heart rate regulation. Heart rate जो heart के patients है, past, present, future. Future में भी future patients are also sitting here. So you need to understand that the heart rate naturally slows down. It gives rest to the heart if you sleep well. Temperature regulation, body's core temperature drops, and reproductive system maintenance. Today the problem of infertility is there almost everywhere. One of the primary cause is disturbed sleep cycle. Period. Next. So ideally we should have been doing these techniques, but I can just leave it at that diaphragm breathing and Soham meditation. These are the techniques which activate the parasympathetic nervous system. जो parasympathetic nervous system होता है वो rest and digest, it अपना activation करता है. It is opposite of fight and flight. We are always in fight and flight. Just now also I am in fight and flight. After some time I will activate my parasympathetic. I am already on the way. Why? Because I need to speak to you. I need to be active. I need to be operational in the world. तो उसके लिए मेरा जो sympathetic nervous system है वो active होना ज़रूरी है. That causes fight and flight response. अगर ये fight and flight हमेशा चलता रहा तो आपको सारे जो psychosomatic diseases हैं वो आपका पीछा करेंगे. उसका एक ही इलाज है, activate the parasympathetic nervous system. Before sleeping, if you do this thing, you can ensure that parasympathetic nervous system will be activated. Okay. Next slide. Now, I want to quickly take you through this concept of circadian rhythm. Today, so many people, so many children, so many youngsters are there who have to work at night. So many people have to work in the night shifts also. But I need to tell all of you that your sleep is regulated by the light. Because our body works on a rhythm, a biorhythm, which is called as a circadian rhythm. It's an internal clock. So on light exposure, a hormone called melatonin is activated, which is also equated with our traditional pineal gland, and you can say the Agnya Chakra also. Okay? Now what does this melatonin do? It does all, whatever you have heard 22 points earlier, those 22, 23 points activation, the starting point is the melatonin. And as soon as you wake up, the light will activate the cortisol and your activity level will start increasing. Now, if this is mismatching with the natural biorhythm, you can understand how much of stress it produces in your body and how much of all these whatever points I had earlier said, how they are going to emerge as diseases in a potential or a manifested form. Okay? So, next. Now let's understand the stages of sleep. Why I'm going to tell you this thing? Because it is important for you to understand these concepts, because I want you to give importance to sleep. This is not a test, but if you understand this, you will give importance to sleep. When we sleep, there are 4 stages which are happening with all of us, everybody, regardless of what faith, which country, which city. पुण्यामध्ये पण होतं बरं का असंच. आम्ही वेगळे नाही होऊ शकत, पुण्यात पण होतं. So stage 1 is light sleep, which is 1 to 7 minutes, where it is easy to wake up. It is just a physical relaxation and a little mental relaxation. Stage 2 is heart rate goes down, breath slows down, your temperature drops. So all these changes happen in the stage 2, which is about 10 to 25 minutes. Stage 3, if you are able to cross these 2 stages properly, the stage 3 is a deep sleep, which can be called in yogic terms as Sushupti Avastha. If you are actually reaching this stage without any disturbance. So in the deep and restorative sleep, all the repair happens. Whatever we said, the immunity build-up, fatigue reduction, all this morning freshness, if you want, all these things are going to happen in the deep sleep stage, and this is of 20 to 40 minutes. And the last stage, all these 1, 2, 3 stages are called as non-REM, that is non-rapid eye movement stages. And the last one is a rapid eye movement stage. It is actually physical rapid eye movement. If you see, if you are able to observe, if you are in a sleep lab, Shailesh, I think you can vouch for that. You have a sleep lab. So if you observe people, then you will see that at that interval, there is a rapid eye movement. And what actually happens in the rapid eye movement is dreams. Higher brain activity. We'll see more about this. In this stage, you will dream. You will have very, very vague dreams. We will talk about that in a slide later, 1 or 2 slides later. Okay? And this is the stage in which आपके जो अंदर जो emotions which you could not express, the ideas which you could not express, something in the unconscious, it wants to come out and you don't have any expression, those things will come out it will express themselves. We will talk about it little later. And this is about 10 to 60 minutes. Okay? Let's go ahead and understand what is REM sleep. In REM sleep, brain processes emotions. दिन भर आपने कुछ इमोशन एक्सपीरियंस किया है. Okay? मुझे किसी का चेहरा अच्छा नहीं लगा, मुझे लगा उसको मैं दो झापड़ दूँ, लेकिन सोशल प्रेशर की वजह से मैं नहीं कर सकता हूँ. मुझे कोई अच्छी लड़की दिखी, मुझे लगा छोड़ दो, वो सब छोड़ दो. हाँ, वो अभी मैं बात नहीं कर सकता, तो मुझे सपने में आएगा ये सब, क्या कर सकता हूँ. सो ऑल दीज थिंग्स व्हाट आई कैन नॉट डू एज a socially prohibited act, I cannot even think about it. Please, and it's not that you cannot do it, you cannot even think about it because you are socially programmed. Okay? I'm giving you very, very extreme examples so that you get a better understanding, but there are so many things in different areas of life you want to do, or those thoughts come into your, or are wanting to come into your mind, but they don't come because of the social obligations, and those are going into your unconscious mind, and when you sleep at the REM stage, they will be processed. It converts a short-term memory into long-term memory. Here is where the filtering happens. किसी ने आपका अपमान किया और आप उसको भूलेंगे नहीं. कि आप उसको भूलेंगे नहीं, ये कौन डिसाइड करता है? REM स्लीप में वो उसने अलग कैटेगरी में रख दिया. लेकिन किसी दोस्त ने ऐसे ही मजाक में आपको कुछ कह दिया, उसको भूलना लाजमी है. देयर इज नो प्रॉब्लम इन forgetting that. That will be passed on. So that is what is happening. It's so important for your emotional health. It removes emotional stress and improves creativity. Mind you, all the biggest discoveries have happened for the scientists in their dreams. Ukulele has discovered benzene ring in dream. क्योंकि उसके सपने में उसने एक सांप देखा जिसकी पूंछ उसके मुंह तक आई थी. उसके ऊपर से उसको पता चला कि कार्बन का स्ट्रक्चर कैसे होगा. And there are some. Archimedes thought of his principle or discovered his principle in dream. These are all real incidents. Okay? So, what you cannot think or create in a wakeful stage can possibly manifest in a dream. So that's why dream is important. Let's go ahead. So what is good cycle? तो आपको ये सब जानना इसलिए ज़रूरी है क्योंकि you need to know what is the good cycle and what is the bad cycle. So if you are having a 80 to 120, कहीं पे आपने पढ़ा होगा कि 1.5 घंटे का एक साइकिल रहता है, somewhat like a 1.5 घंटे. तो 90 minutes, I'm taking average, 90 to 100 minutes. ऐसे 4 से 5 साइकिल आपके नींद में रात को होने चाहिए. That means about 7.5 to 8 hours of sleep for a normal person. As the age advances, it can go a little down. Okay, and as the cycles progress, your REM sleep will be increasing and the other non-REM sleep will keep decreasing. इसीलिए ऐसा कहते हैं कि आपके अर्ली मॉर्निंग के जो ड्रीम्स हैं वो ज़्यादा प्रखर, या यू आर मोर अवेयर और of those dreams and you remember those dreams. So that is what is 4 to 5 cycles. But if you have frequent awakenings, late night alertness, incomplete deep sleep, then it will cause all the problems at the physical, mental, emotional level and social level also, resultantly. Next slide. So it is important for us to work on our sleep, try to reach the REM sleep. There is a beautiful technique, reflection. I don't want you to do it, but I want to explain to it. Before sleeping, go through the entire day as like a movie. Sit quietly, close your eyes, and whichever pose you want to sit in, and go through your entire day hour by hour, without getting involved in each of the events emotionally, just like a movie. It is like closing all the windows before shutting down your PC. And that will help you to reach the deep sleep and the REM sleep very easily and in a short time. Okay? करके देखो, 2-3 दिन करो, आपको ये फर्क आपको महसूस होगा कि अंतर्दर्शन से how much it is helping you to sleep well. And not only that, it will improve your memory also. That's another benefit. Next slide. Something about dreams. It's an interesting topic, that's why. Dreams, REM dreams are, what is the nature of the dream? They are bizarre. बिल्कुल आपने कभी ऐसा एक्सपीरियंस किया ही नहीं होगा. स्ट्रेंज, दे आर नरेटिव. कैरेक्टर्स जो आपके लाइफ में आपने कभी सोचे नहीं होंगे, ऐसे कैरेक्टर्स ड्रीम्स में आते हैं. ओके मेरे ड्रीम्स में परसों भीमसेन जोशी जी आए थे. आय डोंट नो वाय. भीमसेन जोशी जी आए अँड मी त्यांच्या पाया पडलो, 3दा पाया पडलो असं काहीतरी आहे. आणि त्यांनी माझ्या समोर बसून मी त्यांच्या पाठीमागे आणि त्यांनी सूर्याचा मंत्र म्हटला. ॲब्सोल्युटली बिझार. नथिंग, देर इज नो कनेक्शन टू युअर डे टू डे, बट देर इज सम सिग्नल विच इट गिव्स टू यू अँड देर इज अ सायन्स बिहाइंड इट. हाऊ टू इंटरप्रेट दॅट, हाऊ टू interpret the unconscious thing. There may be positive, that may be negative also. Okay? And unfulfilled wishes, emotion-filled experiences, but your body is paralyzed during that time. You know, otherwise, if you act out those dreams, it will be dangerous. Okay? Then they play out your subconscious mind. ड्रीम्स इन लाइट स्लीप. अगर आप कहेंगे तो मुझे तो 10 मिनट के लिए सोया, आधे मिनट घंटे के लिए सोया तो भी मुझे ड्रीम्स आते हैं. व्हाट आर दोज? दोज आर एक्चुअली योर कंटिन्यूएशन ऑफ कॉन्शियस थॉट्स. योर, अगर आप अभी कोई सोया तो नहीं, अगर आप कोई सोया होगा तो ही ड्रीम ऑफ मी. ओके, सो दैट्स अ कंटिन्यूएशन ऑफ कॉन्शियस थॉट्स. नेक्स्ट. तो अगर ऐसा है तो लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट आर द थिंग्स विच डिस्टर्ब अवर स्लीप. क्या करना नहीं चाहिए? कॉफ़ी और कैफीन आफ्टर 2 PM, स्ट्रेस, इमोशनल ओवरलोड, उसको पहले साफ करो, बाद में सो. हैवी डिनर, 2 to 3 hours गैप, 3 hours बिफोर अ हैवी मील, 2 hours लाइट मील. स्क्रीन एक्सपोजर आफ्टर 9 PM, वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एंड वेरी डिफिकल्ट, मोस्ट डिफिकल्ट. एक्सट्रेनियस थॉट, सेडेंट्री लाइफस्टाइल. अगर आप बैठे ही है पूरा दिन तो आपकी नींद अच्छी नहीं होगी. तो यू हैव टू हैव सम काइंड ऑफ वॉक और सम काइंड ऑफ एक्सरसाइज. इरेगुलर स्लीप टाइमिंग्स. आज आप 10 बजे सोए, कल 12 बजे सोए, परसों 2 बजे सोए. ये अगर है तो आपको आपके नींद को पता ही नहीं चलेगा आप कभी सोने का है, कभी सोना चाहिए. ओके. एंड try to avoid noise, heat and clutter. तो ये सब के अंदर योगा की भूमिका क्या है? Yogic techniques are important, as I told you, because they reduce the sympathetic activation, जो आपको excite करता है, जिससे आपका fight and flight बढ़ता है. It improves parasympathetic dominance. Yoga is the only thing which will improve your parasympathetic dominance. It will regulate your breath. और breath और mind connected है. धारणा, सुचि, योग्यता, मनसा. उसका मतलब है कि breath is and mind are एक ही धागे से बंधे हुए. अगर breath आपका controlled है, mind will be controlled. It will be, you will have a peaceful mind, and that's the key for good sleep. Improves emotional processing. Yoga has got techniques which can improve your emotional processing and discipline. Yoga में पहली चीज़ है अनुशासन. अथा योगा अनुशासन. So if you have discipline, if you learn how to live in a disciplined manner through yoga, that is the first key to sleep well. Next slide, please. I don't want to tell you, but this is just to tell you that what I am telling is not my yesterday's dream. It is not some random ideas which I am discovering. It is already researched. There are so many research which are available, You can go to PubMed or Google Scholar and check that out. Next. By the way, my educational background is I'm an engineer from IIT Madras, chemical engineer. I'm an MBA from Jamnalal Bajaj, 25 years in corporate, and on Madam Patki's request, I became the CEO in 2012. I started earning from zero to whatever I could, and because that I started on zero salary. And that is why I'm telling you, because that all these things I'm talking with passion and with no commercial motivation. Okay? Next. So you can do something to improve your sleep. Morning time, 5-minute sunlight exposure. If you make it a habit, 5 minutes, sunlight exposure. दिन घर के बाहर निकलो, गैलरी से भी बाहर निकल के आपने अगर कुछ स्ट्रेचिंग किया, जेंटल सूक्ष्म व्यायाम किया, सूर्य नमस्कार is a beautiful technique. 3 to 6 rounds is also enough, not much. Pranayam, Bhramari and Nadi Shuddhi in the morning, it will freshen you, make your day good. Next slide. Afternoon practices after your lunch, a short mindful walk, mini break, stretches. If you're working on your desk itself, mini breaks, stretches, longitudinal stretch, your lateral and twist, or forward, backward bend, something like that. Simple stretches. You don't have to take a class for that. Yoga Nidra is a very powerful tool. Those who are interested, you please get in touch with Shaileji. I will give my Yoga Nidra commentary in Hindi, English and Marathi. I'll share that if there is a platform over here. And many people are getting benefited from that. After lunch, sit in Vajrasan and watch breath. That's the only asana which you can do after Vajrasan, after lunch. Okay? So आज lunch करके यहाँ पे आएंगे तो आप यहाँ पे बैठ सकते हैं. I think उतने लोग हैं. मावतील एवढे सगळे ते लाईनीने वज्रासनमध्ये बसू शकतात. Okay? Next. In the evening, it's a good practice to have family vihar, which means what? You can play board games, patte khela, carom khela. It improves. Otherwise, before sleeping, माझ्या नवऱ्याने मला असं म्हटलं, माझ्या बायकोने माझा असा अपमान केला, माझी ताई मला असं म्हणते, मला बाबा असं का म्हणाले. All these things are the superficial thoughts in your mind. Okay? So, family vihar is a very important thing, improving interpersonal relationships. I have seen so many families, broken families, which have got repaired because of just one thing, which is family vihar. Before sleeping, Soham breathing, diaphragm, which I explained to you. Reflection, I explained to you. Light and early dinner, keep it light. Next slide. What's the time? Okay. Diet, important. What food can you have for good sleep? For melatonin, magnesium is good for sleep. Magnesium is good for sleep. Badam, almond, banana, chia seeds and nutmeg, zaifal. It's good for sleep. Antioxidants and tryptophan, these are good sleeping agents. Turmeric, हळदीचं दूध. All whatever we आजी सांगत होती ते बरोबरच होतं. आता कळेल ते. Natural sedatives, de-stressing. Honey, poppy seeds, खसखस. Better REM sleep के लिए avocado. This is something new and important. Avocado, peanuts, दाणे. Potato, tomato, green peas म्हणजे पावभाजी. Yes, allowed. है ना? Allowed. चलो. 3 hours before sleeping, but and you can remove the pav. You can eat bhaji with something else. Serotonin. Serotonin is a very good neurotransmitter for calming the mind. Chole, अरे वाह, इतनी मजा है. Spinach, palak, and rajma. These are good ingredients for creating or activating serotonin. Next slide. This is the most crucial slide because you have to consciously design your sleep. You have to consciously get into a sleeping mode. You can't say झोप येत नाही. You have to design your sleep. That means what? What you can do? You have to do certain things consciously. You have to have sleep routines like pai dhune, whatever I had told you. You have to consciously do. If your sleeping time is 11 o'clock, start at 10:30 and do all these things. Okay? Consciously keep your phone away at 10:30 if you want to sleep at 11, or if you want to sleep at 10:30, 10 o'clock bahar rakho. Okay? No clutter. जैसे आपको घर साफ रखना है वैसे आपके माइंड को भी साफ कर रखना जरूरी है. Those who are interested, they should do, or those who require it, they should do these meditations like pardon, forgiving, gratitude, and well-being prayers. Now I'm covering so many things. You may be having your friends or resources for doing these things, but you can employ that in your life. Next. There are some routines. We'll quickly go through it. Warm bath or foot soak creates good health. Foot or head oil massage, prayer or reflection. These are some routines which you can get into your day-to-day life. Oiling of nose, ear. आत्ताच्या वेदरमध्ये तिळाचं तेल. Okay? And earing them with fingertips will lead to good sleep, deep sleep. Brahmari and Om chanting. These are routines. Next. Okay, let's go ahead. I don't want to. Do we have time for Brahmari? No. What's the time?
We can do one Brahmari.
We'll do one round?
Yeah.
One round of Brahmari?
Yes, we'll
Okay, fine. So let's do Brahmari. Sit straight. Okay. Just one round of Brahmari you are going to do. So sit straight. I'll explain to you what to do. Take a deep breath. First, just listen to me. Take a deep breath. And you have to produce a sound of ang. Ang is like in Ganga. Remove the ga, remove the ga, and ang. So it will come from your throat, it will go to your nose, nasal sound, and it will go up to your center of the forehead. Okay? And it has to be a sonorous, a sweet sound, which will be audible to you, and preferably of high pitch. How many of you can speak in a false voice? Asa bolu shakta ka tumi? That correct. Why say? That will produce a higher frequency. Brahmari produces nitric oxide, which has got huge benefits of developing immunity. So, but higher frequency has got higher benefits. So, because of that, you have to do it. Okay. And when you are doing this, close your ears. तो दोन्ही कान एक मुद्रा पण आहे पण आता आपण नको करूया ते. Just close your ears with your index finger, or if you know the Shanmukhi mudra, you can do that. Close your ears with the index finger, take a deep breath and produce that sound and hear it. Just experience that silence, remove your fingers. एक ही बार करने से इतना कामनेस अगर आता है तो इसको 10 बार कीजिए. You will produce very good effect in your mind, which is very conducive for a good sleep. Okay? And there are so many other things. You can take a photo of this. Shavasana, light a organic lamp, set a sleep alarm. ये आप आज से कर सकते हैं. कितने लोग अलार्म से उठते हैं? अब आप अलार्म से सो. अगर आपको सोना है 11 बजे तो 10:30 बजे का 10 बजे का अलार्म लगाओ. तैयारी शुरू करनी है अलार्म लगाने की. लाइट बंद करो, फ़ोन अलग रखो, सब करना है तो अलार्म लगाओ. अदरवाइज यू विल नॉट नो. टीवी देखते रहेंगे, रील्स देखते रहेंगे, काम करते रहेंगे, बहुत कुछ करते हैं हम लोग. बट यू हैव टू गिव अ लॉजिकल एंड टू योर डे बाय सेटिंग एन अलार्म. लिसन टू सूदिंग म्यूजिक. दरबारी कन्नड़ा. da 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 एक YouTube में सेट करके रखिए दरबारी कनाडा, प्रेफरेबली इंस्ट्रूमेंटल, और 10 मिनट के लिए सुने, सो जाओ. ओके, देन शॉर्ट गाइडेड मेडिटेशन और चंद्र भेदन. दोज हु आर वेरी एक्टिव, आपका थिंकिंग बहुत एक्टिव है, तो लेफ्ट नॉस्ट्रिल का चंद्र भेदन कर सकते हैं बिफोर स्लीपिंग. दैट विल एक्टिवेट योर सिंपैथेटिक नर्वस सिस्टम. योग निद्रा, अ शॉर्ट वन, 10-20 मिनट्स. लिसन टू चैंट्स, मंत्र. मंत्र चैंटिंग इज वेरी वेरी सूदिंग. कोई भी मंत्र जो रोटेशन में चलता है 11 बार 21 बार सुनो. ओके, और यू कैन चैंट ऑल्सो. ओम चैंटिंग इज ऑल्सो वेरी गुड. सेल्फ टॉक टू थॉट्स. नींद नहीं आती है क्योंकि थॉट्स आते हैं. आप सो के उठते तभी भी यही होता है. द बेस्ट आइडिया फॉर दैट इज टेल योर सेल्फ वेरी ऑनेस्टली. टेल योर सेल्फ योर माइंड वेरी ऑनेस्टली, एंड आई डू इट मेनी टाइम्स. I promise I will look at you tomorrow morning. अपने आप को बताइए, मैं तुमको ज़रूर देखूंगा, मतलब मेरे विचारों को मैं कल ज़रूर अटेंड करूंगा. अब आप जाओ. अगर आप सिंसियरली करेंगे तो ये विचार चले जाएंगे. ओके, नेक्स्ट. थैंक यू. सो दैट brings us to the end of this sleep presentation. I hope you liked it, and I want to here express my gratitude to the soldiers of this country who ensure us good sound sleep while they protect the borders. वो जागते हैं वहाँ पे और हम अच्छी नींद यहाँ पे ले सकते हैं. तो मनोमन उनकी हम लोग एक प्रार्थना करते हैं, उनको ग्रैटिट्यूड प्रोसेस करेंगे. थैंक यू वेरी मच.